Hey guys, welcome back to Cheap Lazy Naturals. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another rice water favorite. I will be sharing my recipe on how I create a DIY shampoo using black soap and rice water as the main ingredients. So if you're interested in this, please stay tuned. So the first thing that one needs to know about this recipe of mine are the ingredients of black soap. Basically, black soap is made from cacao pods, cassava, shade tree bark, palm tree leaves, plantains and other vegetation. So it's really packed with rich nutrients. So following this, the benefits of black soap is that it provides healthy nutrients for your scalp. It further defines your curl pattern. Basically it does this by cleansing your hair of buildup and all of that, so relieving your hair strands of the heaviness of the product, which helps define your curl pattern. And it does this while it cleanses your hair while keeping it super moisturized, which is very important for our hair that is prone to dryness. Black soap also softens your hair without stripping it. It cleanses the scalp really well. It's antifungal, it's antiviral, and it's antibacterial. So if you suffer from scalp dandruff issues and hair loss, eczema, and itchy scalp, black soap is super beneficial. So the way I make the shampoo is that I melt a piece of the black soap in some warm water. I had to actually throw this in the microwave because I actually let my warm water sit down and became a bit cooler. And then after that I go ahead and I add a cup of rice water, just half a cup, and then I add in some apple cider vinegar, 2 penetrating oils or the oils that I have on hand, and then 2 essential oils. So you can pretty much use whichever oils work best for your hair. Don't be like restrained by what I use what works best for you. This is a guideline. It's not like a strict recipe that you need to follow. So yeah, that's pretty much what I went ahead and did. The reason I decided to do rice water shampoo is that sometimes the leave-in spritzer leaves my hair super dry. So I thought that if I use rice water before I do any moisturizing, like any deep conditioning part, it will be super beneficial for my hair. Secondly, the second main ingredient in this recipe is rice water. And guys, we have several videos on rice water, how to make it, the benefits and all of that I also discussed in those videos. So I'm going to link a few of those videos in the description and in a card in this current video. But one of the 2 main benefits that I'm going to be mentioning here are that rice water has amino acids that basically helps to fill gaps in damaged hair. So for example, if your hair is super high porosity, it means that your cuticles are open and sometimes they're missing. So rice water actually helps to fill these cuticles. And when it does this, it makes your hair shinier. It gives your hair such health and such life that your hair looks fuller. It gives it volume because, again, it's filling in all of these gaps that are missing. So in that sense, rice water helps to strengthen your hair. So rice water is a protein treatment, for those of you that are wondering. It has a high content of protein, and therefore it strengthens your hair, which makes it very brittle. So again, make sure that when you use rice water that you have a good moisturizing routine after that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know if you try the recipe. I also have a deep conditioner including rice. I will link that if you're interested. I know that there's also a rice oil infusion concoction that people have been trying out. If you want me to try out something like that, let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to do so. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might benefit from rice recipes. Yeah, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos and everything to do with hair, and hit that notification bell so that you are the first to know when we release a video. Thank you guys so much. Ta-da!